up to 20 lakhs. Apply by November 15th. No more. SBI launched the Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025 to help underprivileged students from class 9 to PG with a funding of up to 20 lakhs a year. The last date to apply is November 15th, 2025. Applications for the Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025 are now being accepted by the State Bank of India through the SBI Foundation. It is CSR Foundation. Financial aid will be given to 23,230 deserving students this year, making it one of SBI's biggest initiative of educational support. This campaign, which commemorates the bank's Platinum Jubilee, intends to assist Indian students, particularly those from low-income families. Students from 9th standard to postgraduate levels are eligible for the scholarship, which enable them to continue their studies without facing financial obstacles. The support is provided on an annual basis till the beneficiary finishes their courses and can range from 15,000 to 20 lakhs. Until November 15, 2025, applications can be submitted online via the official web page. So, SBI Scholarship 2025, what is the official statement? Chairman of SBI, Challa Srinivasulu Shetty Garu, said, as we mark our Platinum Jubilee celebrations this year, we take immense pride in launching the SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship. Through its initiative, we will support 23,230 of India's biggest young minds from humble backgrounds, nurturing their aspirations and enabling them to realize their full potential. What is the eligibility criteria to apply this scholarship? Open for Indian nationals. Application must be studying in class 9th to 12th in current academic year. Applications must have secured 75% marks or above in their previous academic year. The gross annual family income of the applicants must be up to Indian rupees 3 lakhs. Education support students across multiple levels and disciplines. The scholarship is offered under the following categories: school students, undergraduate students, postgraduate students, and medical students, and also IIT students. So, what are the documents required? Prepare these essential documents for your SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025-26 applications. Ensure all documents are clear and properly attested. In this, there are category-wise records: academic records, identity records, proof of income, admission proof, like that. What is academic records? Marks sheet from the previous academic year, class 10th, 12th, graduation, post-graduation as applicable, and identity proof. Government issued identity proof like Aadhaar card, financial documents, and current financial documents means scholarship, that is income certificate, current year fee receipt, bank account details of the applicant or parent. Proof of income, Form 16A, that is income certificate from a government authorities or salary slips, etc. 16A, that is income certificate from a government authority and salary slip, etc. Admission proof, proof of current year admission, admission letter, institution identity card, bona fide certificate, personal documents, photograph of the applicant. So, if necessary, additional cash certificate where necessary. So, these are the documents required for the application for the Asha Scholarship, Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025. This is for your information. Thank you for watching. Share this information to those students who are unable to study future. So, this is for your information. Thank you. Thank you very much.